The calculation grids panel in LightStanza just got a serious upgrade. Now next to the main calculation grids list, there's a new tab that will allow you to draw both removal and statistical regions. You can draw these regions for uncalculated grids when you're first creating them, or for calculations that have already been completed to further refine the results. For this example, let's turn on the calculation results from the previous simulation. Now, expanding the regions button, there are a few different region types we can add. To start, let's create a removal region using the rectangle option. The rectangle tool works by allowing you to select two corner points to create a box around the area of interest. So say you want to remove these darker points as they aren't in the primary calculation area. You can create a rectangle and then get the final corner to apply. And with these points selected, we'll get a statistical summary of the results that are in that region. And then if you hit the Enter or Delete key, that will apply the removal region to create a mask. For irregular shapes, you can also create a polygon removal region to capture the area of interest. And note, removal regions can span multiple grids. So say you have two adjacent grids that you want to remove a batch of points from, you can just draw the polygon over the area of interest, hit the Enter key to complete the region, and this will show you a summary of all the points on both grids that are captured within the area. And then, like before, you can hit the Enter key to apply the removal region. And then we have the region manager over on the left, which tracks which grids are associated with which regions. So for removal region 2, it's recognizing that it's associated with both the room 1 and room 2 grid for review. While we're here, we can also rename the regions. If you just highlight the text box, you can enter any name. And like with the rectangle tool, the region menu also contains a shortcut to quickly lasso over a certain area. If you select the window option, you can just do one drag to get a new region in the area of interest. And click Enter once again to create the removal region. The panel on the left will track all the regions that have been added and acts as a manager in case you need to make edits. Or you can also reset the grids to their original state by selecting all. And then you can use the trash can icon to delete the removal regions to get the original points back. If you don't need to remove any points and just want to review statistics from certain areas in the project, you can also create a statistical region by selecting that region type. Draw a rectangle over the area of interest, and you'll get a statistical summary of the selected points. The only difference is there's no danger of deleting the points. If I hit the Enter key, they will still remain. And then because the statistical region is saved, I can come back to it later. If I unselect it, the summary goes away. Then if I highlight over this card once again, I see the summary for statistical region 1. And to leave it on permanently, I can select the region. We hope you find these new tools helpful for analyzing your calculation results. Thank you.